Hello friends, today our topic is components of environment. So before we move on to components, we have to understand that what is environment. The simplest definition to be remembered for environment is environment in its true sense can be defined as all that surrounds us. And another definition for environment is a place where different things are, such as a swampy or hot environment. It can be living, biotic or non-living, abiotic things. It includes physical, chemical and other natural forces. Since everything is part of the environment of something else, the word environment is used to talk about many things. This definition is too vast to be remembered. So we can remember this definition that is more simpler than that. Environment is our basic life support system. It provides us many things like the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live on. Environment also includes plants and animals and a large variety of man-made things which are necessary for our living. Thus, environment has both natural and man-made elements. They are bifurcated into two groups, the physical environment and the biological environment. The physical environment includes all non-living things like land, water, and air. The biological environment includes all the living things such as plants, animals, and humans, in which the humans are the most important component of biological environment, who satisfies all the required needs from both parts of the environment. The two components of natural environment, the physical and the biological, are largely interdependent and cannot be separated. Any major change in the physical environment is to bring a change in the accompanying biological environment.